This week, we will start to make the informal ideas introduced in week 1 more formal and more mathematical. Mathematics provides us with a set of powerful tools which enable us to describe precisely the location of points and lines. We shall see that intuitive ideas about a line, such as whether it is increasing, decreasing, steep, shallow, or horizontal, can all be incorporated into mathematical statements or equations. We do this by expressing both points and lines in a mathematical form using algebra. During the week, you will have the opportunity to watch video explanations, mathematical worked examples, and to try exercises for yourself. As before, we strongly encourage you to try the exercises before checking your answers with the fully worked solutions that we provide. There are several quizzes that enable you to check your progress as you move through the week's material, and we continue to add new terminology to the cumulative glossary. Once again, you will hear from a leading Loughborough scientist or engineer about aspects of their own work. By the end of this week, you will recognise equations which capture and represent the properties of straight lines. In turn, this knowledge enables mathematicians, scientists and engineers to study more complicated lines, for example curved lines, and then surfaces and solid shapes. You will need to plot some graphs. To help you to do this, you can print off graph paper from the link provided. You will also need a ruler, pencil or pen, and you may find a calculator helpful, although not essential. Coloured pens or pencils may help you to visualise some of the points and lines that you are going to draw. Upon completion of this week's material, you'll be able to locate points lying in a plane by describing their positions with reference to horizontal and vertical axes. You will be able to add scales to the axes so that the x and y coordinates of a point can be defined. You will understand common terminology: point, plane, axis, axes, x coordinate, y coordinate, coordinates, Cartesian coordinates, origin, quadrants, gradient and intercept. You'll be able to recognise and use the equation of a straight line. You'll be able to substitute numbers into the equations of a straight line to obtain the y coordinate of a point given its x coordinate. You'll be able to match straight line graphs to their equations and vice versa.